Hello everyone, this is Praneeth from Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, India. The course Ethical AI Workshop, which I've completed just a few days ago, has been a really great course regarding AI, which I've come across. And in these modern days where AI technologies are literally skyrocketing, it is very essential and a bit mandatory to have a hands-on experience on the AI tools to upgrade ourselves. In this course, there are 5 modules which concentrate on generative AI, the subtopics such as text, audio, images and video and so on. The skills which I've learned in this course are really helpful to be used to create the content, and not only in creating the content but also these skills are useful in business purposes and in startups and etc. And this course is really helpful for each and every AI enthusiast who gonna pursue their career in technology. I recommend this course for all the AI enthusiasts out there. And coming to the coach Megan, she is one of the great mentors I've come across, and she really cares about her students. She's a very patient person and encourages us to understand the course very well, and never forgets to remind us regarding the ethical usage of AI, because the unethical usage might end us in trouble. She always reminds us to be ethical in using the AI, and she is also a God-fearing person, and I'm very glad that she used to support me, not only from the career perspective but also spiritual perspectives. I'm very thankful for Coach Megan, and really recommend this course for the students out there, and not only students but also the professionals who can automate their business and the content creation by being more productive and making the AI to do more work for you. And this is going to be really fruitful for you people, and I really recommend this course. Thank you.